As we all know, thumbnails are the first impression of your video on YouTube. And many times it's either make or break. Well, not really make or break. Mr. Beast has a personal designer who designs his thumbnails and as a result gathers millions of views for every one of his videos. Well, not that he needs a good thumbnail anyway. But recently, YouTube launched a test and compare feature in their thumbnail section. So in today's video, I will show you how you can test and compare 3 of your best thumbnails to put in your videos to attract the most viewers to your videos. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph. I run a production house here in Singapore doing photography, videography, live streams, and basically everything tech. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so right now I'm in my YouTube page and I want to create a video. So I will just click on the create button here and then upload video as per usual, right? So it brings you to your YouTube studio where you can select your file to upload. So for today's example, I'll just upload a new video which I've just created, which is how you can share your files on Google Drive. And then as per usual, you can see the uploading bar here and then the usual details that you have to key in your title and your description. Do also take note that right now, for the new feature of YouTube, I think they just updated. There's a question mark here where you hover over and then it sort of gives you a mini explanation on what these features can do. So under description, under thumbnail, you can see that this is what they are trying to come up with a new feature. So right now, this is a real video that I'm going to upload. So I'm just going to key in details. So I've keyed in my title and my description, and then here I will go to thumbnail, where you can see the usual 1 section has now become 3. So now you have the usual upload file, which is previously what we always have. And then now you have the AI auto-generated thumbnail, which takes images from your video itself and gives you a suggestion on using that thumbnail. So the third option is test and compare, which we are talking about today. So we'll click on it, and then for an explanation, you can actually hover over the question mark where it tells you how it works. So you can upload 3 images that you want to test, and YouTube algorithm will decide which one performs the best. So for up to 2 weeks, you can wait for the results and go to the report under the video details page, where viewers will see the winning thumbnail. And then YouTube automatically updates your video when the test is done. So for example, if you selected one thumbnail, YouTube will automatically select the winning thumbnail, the best thumbnail according to YouTube's algorithm. But again, it's up to you. You can keep the winning thumbnail or you can choose a different one. So it's up to you. So for today, we will upload 3 thumbnails that I've prepared. So thumbnail 1, which is my usual thumbnail that I use for quick tutorials. And then I decided to do another one which shows my face in a bigger part here, right side, and then with details on sharing your files with anyone on Google Drive. And then the third one, I've decided to do just a plain thumbnail with none of my face on it. Probably it might generate more views. So once you are done with this, you can click on done, and then you can see the thumbnail section is being divided equally into 3 parts. This shows you that you have selected the test option, right? So now we will just key in more details. You can see that the checks have been completed, and then we click on next. So usually a public. I'll schedule it for a later post on the 26th, and then so the video will be scheduled to set to public on the 26th of June. And we can see that the video is scheduled here on the 26th of June. So we're going to wait 2 weeks to see what is the result of the test and compare thumbnail on this new feature on YouTube. So there you have it. I hope today's video was easy to understand and you have learned how to select the best thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and hopefully your videos go viral with over 1 million views like this one. Hopefully. If you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want me to do any particular video, do let me know in the comments below. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.